Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe. Press that red button for more videos. So in this video we are going to show you the processing of homemade garri. So this is my cassava that I want to use. This is white cassava, bitter cassava. So I want to peel the back of the cassava. So if you have never watched how we get this cassava, it's on our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Subscribe for
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. So we are preparing cassava flakes, which is garri. Okay, watch our previous video how we harvested this cassava. So this is the cassava we harvested. This is the one we are using. Anuela, this is how we peel cassava. Okay, cassava. We are not doing Nigeria fufu, we are doing garri. Okay, yes, garri. That garri we soak that day with that fish. This is how it's being prepared.
and the garri is nice.
Yes, so viewers, if you have not watched how we soaked our garri Ijebu,
It's on our YouTube
it's on our YouTube channel. Please go and watch. Yes.
What we used to drink the garri is there. Done for the blend and for the garri. Okay, so beautiful people, this is the garri. So I'm going to take it out for the So beautiful people, we are going to leave it for 3 days to ferment. Okay, so beautiful people, this is 3 days after. Okay, 3 days after. So I want to take the stone. You can see that the garri is smelling nice. Wow. See? going to take some for the yellow garri. So I want to pour the white one. Garri is ready, so I want to take it out. So we are done for the white one. Let's go for the yellow garri. As you see, the yellow garri is ready too. I want to pour it inside tray. So this is how we prepare our homemade garri. This is nice. I want to allow the breeze to touch it and dry it very well. So beautiful people, our garri is ready. This is yellow garri and this is the white one. Okay, subscribe. We use red oil to prepare this yellow one. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. If you are a returning viewer, please help me to subscribe, share, like, comment, press the notification bell to all. Thank you very much. Mwah! See you in our next video.